Okay, well, which way does that go on the bottom of the bow, though? I think I need to know that. If I'm right-handed, I want to take an arrow off left, I think. Okay, that goes in this direction. So when we mount, this goes towards the front. Okay, I think that goes right in there. Okay. 2 machine screws. Okay. Good and started. Okay, good. Started. Screw in, push the button, and then turn the way I want to go. I stopped before we got to the end. Okay. Alright. Sweet. Probably got it enough. I mean, it's 4 volt, it should have enough to... But let's just... Okay, a little bit. I'm just going to give it a little bit. Not like much. Okay, that's there's one on there good. Yeah, I don't. It's plastic. I don't want to tighten it on there too much. Okay, and so now this one, I want it to go on there. However, that is. So, if I'm right-handed, boom, I want my arrows to come off like this, arrows like this. Okay, oh, I don't want it not to set on the arrows. Okay, so it needs to be like this. And this locks into place here. Okay. Now we will put the provided screws in place. I don't know if that's a Phillips or a number 1. Oh well, let's find out. Okay. Do not have a screw in here. No driver. Okay. Here. Pulling out of the construction bag. Alright. I'm pretty sure these are on. I don't know the screwdriver yet. This is the first time I've been using it. Yup. And I'm a little unsure with it. I think once I get used to it, I'll be blazing away with it. Alright, cool. So, this slides in there. Like so. It locks into place like it can't slide it any more forward. Then it leverages down. Alright. Thanks for putting up with me. Maybe you're not supposed to lay it on that. Whatever. Okay. Scope. And scope it out. There we go. Move. Oh look, another cardboard box. Ooh. This has lens caps. Okay. A, eyepiece. B, elevation. Okay. I think it's like a quick connect here. Some more garbage. Ooh, I like these. I'll save that. Well, this is really nice. Oh, it's like a piece of it's plastic over it, so they're like clear. Huh. All right. Show. Set the scope down. Looks like we got another Allen wrench. Almost feels the same size. Might actually be. Maybe that's so we don't strip them out. That's a microfiber cloth. Okay, let's. Here. It's definitely a little bit sticky where that. I'm gonna have to clean that off. It's gonna drive me nuts. Okay, my end frame. Yes. Okay. Whoa. Okay. How do you know you've gone too far? When it falls off. Let's try it there and see what happens. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, there's nothing there. Let's go right there. Looks like I have to just adjust this mount. Okay, so wait a minute. Right there. Sorry about that. Apparently I have to be in between those little things. Okay. All right. So that is my crossbow. Let me see here. Well, I guess in the picture it shows him holding the 2 arrows. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Well, I don't want to put it on the scope. All right. Okay, here I'm gonna rest it on there. Hopefully I don't mess with those arrows too much. Let's just step back. And take a look.